Hey, Edward. Hi, Thomas. What are you doing? Oh, nothing. I'm just wondering, what happens if an engine decides to be switching out to this track while an oncoming train coming? Yeah, no. I'd rather not take that risk. Oh, please, what's the harm? Get out of my way! You're starting with a again! Oh, dear. Thomas, what the heck are you doing? Well, I thought it might be funny just to cross line between those points when there's an oncoming train coming. Really? Really? You flipping serious right now? Thomas, you do realize it is dangerous to do that, right? That's what I tell him. Did I just miss something? No, no, you didn't, Henry. I'll take the other way round.